Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and the first question of the day. A beta-pleated sheet is an example of, and you have to choose one of these answers. Take a look at this picture, which shows different stages of the protein folding or polypeptide chain folding. Primary protein structure is just a chain of amino acids. Secondary protein structure would be alpha helix or beta-pleated sheets. Tertiary protein structure is a structure which is three-dimensional folding pattern of protein due to side chain interactions. And the last one would be quaternary protein structure. It is protein made of multiple polypeptide chains, so 2 and more. So as you see, beta-pleated sheet is an example of secondary protein structure, and this is answer D. And next question. Two amino acids are shown below. Draw what they would look like after being joined by peptide bond. Here's one monomer, here's another monomer, and this one represents one amino acid, and this one another amino acid. When such monomers would join through the process of amino acid chain synthesis, we are going to get a chain like this, and we call this polypeptide. Each amino acid has amino group and carboxylic group. Amino group here, carboxylic group here. Two monomers would make one dimer molecule through the process which we call dehydration synthesis, when one molecule of water would be produced and two monomers would join through the covalent bonding, releasing one molecule of water. Such bond we also call peptide bond. Per each peptide bond, one molecule of water would be produced. And reverse reaction, when, for example, dimer would be broken into two monomers, we call hydrolysis reaction, when one molecule of water would be used in order to break two monomers. On this picture you can see the final product of such reaction, and this is going to be a peptide bond plus H2O molecule would be released in the process. Again, this type of reaction called dehydration reaction. For example, if you will go to desert, you're also going to lose water, and we call this dehydration. So this type of synthesis is called dehydration synthesis. But sometimes in the textbooks you also may find another name, condensation reaction. Just like water condensate on the, for example, cold objects which you take from the freezer, because molecule of water would be produced per each polypeptide bond. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.